Baruch atah Adonai Eloheinu melech haolam borei peri hagafen.
Amen.
Baruch atah Adonai Eloheinu melech haolam shakol bara lichvodo.
Amen.
Baruch atah Adonai Eloheinu melech haolam yotzer hadam. Baruch atah Adonai Eloheinu melech haolam asher yatzar adam betzalmo betzelem demut tavnito v'itkin lo mimenu binyan adeyad. Baruch atah Adonai yotzer hadam. Sos tasis v'tagel ha'akara v'kibutz baneha letocha besimcha. Baruch atah Adonai mesameach Tzion bevaneha. Sameach tesamach reim ha'ahuvim kesamechecha yetzircha beganeh Mikedem Yananai Nai Nai Ay 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 Ananai Nai Nai Ay Nai 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 Ananai Nai Nai Ay Ay Nai 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 Began Eden Mikedem Baruch atah Adonai mesameach chatan v'chala. Baruch atah Adonai Eloheinu melech haolam asher bara sason v'simcha chatan v'chala. Asher bara sason v'simcha chatan v'chala. Gila rina Yitza v'chedva ava v'yachava v'shalom v'reut Gila rina Yitza v'chedva ava v'yachava v'shalom v'reut Me'er Adonai Eloheinu yishama v'arei Yehuda u'v'chutzot Yerushalayim Kol sason v'kol simcha Kol chatan v'kol kala Kol mitzalot chatanim michupatam Unarim mimishte neginatam Baruch atah Adonai mesameach chatanim hakala.
Praised are you, Adonai, our God, who rules the universe, who created joy and gladness, bride and groom, pleasure, song, delight, laughter, love, and harmony, peace and companionship. Adonai, our God, may there always be heard in the cities of Judah and the streets of Jerusalem voices of joy and gladness, of happiness, voices of bride and groom, the jubilant voices of those joined in